The joy of giving, spreading happiness in the neighborhood. In a happy neighborhood, there was a boy named Raditya. He loved to make people happy and wanted to bring everyone together. He believed that by giving and caring for others, he could make a difference. One sunny day, Raditya noticed some of his elderly neighbors feeling lonely. He wanted to change that. He invited them to a special gathering he planned just for them. He wanted to celebrate their wisdom and all they had done for the neighborhood. The neighbors were excited to be a part of Raditya's event. They looked forward to spending time together and enjoying delicious food. The community center was filled with laughter and fun. Raditya had planned games, music, and even a talent show. The neighbors showed off their talents and felt appreciated by everyone. They were happy to be a part of such a special day. During the gathering, Raditya realized that some neighbors needed help with groceries and other things. He couldn't stand to see them struggle. So, he started a group called Neighbors in Need with his friends. They collected food, clothes, and other important things. The whole neighborhood came together to help. They created care packages and delivered them to the neighbors who needed them most. The kindness and love in those packages made everyone feel special. The act of giving didn't stop there. The neighborhood continued to come together for meals, gardening, and celebrating special occasions. Raditya's vision of a close community where everyone cared for each other became a reality. As time went by, the neighborhood grew stronger and closer. Raditya's kindness touched the hearts of everyone he met. He became an example of how a simple act of kindness could make a big difference. And so, Raditya's story of spreading happiness inspired people everywhere. It showed them that by caring for others and giving, they could create a world filled with love, kindness, and a strong sense of community.